Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the hybridization of carbon in ethane reactant. Ethane is C2H6, where each carbon forms 4 single bonds, 3 CH bonds and 1 C2C bond. 4 sigma bonds around each carbon means sp3 hybridization. Moving on to the next step. Write the combustion reaction of ethane. The complete combustion of ethane produces carbon dioxide and water to C2H6 plus 7O2 4CO2 plus 6H2O. Moving on to the next step. Identify the hybridization of carbon in the product CO2. In carbon dioxide, O is equal to C is equal to O, carbon forms 2 double bonds. Each double bond consists of 1 sigma and 1 pi bond. Carbon uses sp hybridization to sigma bonds in a linear arrangement with 2 pi bonds using the remaining p orbitals. And for the final step, determine the change. Carbon starts as sp3 in ethane and ends as sp in CO2. This corresponds to option B, sp3 to sp. Eliminate other options. Option A, sp2 to sp3 is incorrect because ethane carbon is sp3, not sp2. Option C, sp to sp3 reverses the actual change. Option D, sp2 to sp2 is incorrect for both reactant and product hybridizations. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.